Have you ever considered that the key to effective leadership might not be power, but service? This transformative view of leadership is explored in Servant Leadership in Action by Ken Blanchard and Renee Broadwell. The book reveals a leadership philosophy that places empathy, humility, and community building at its heart, challenging the traditional power-centric leadership models. By prioritizing service to others, it presents a fresh and impactful approach to leadership. Through real-life examples and thought-provoking insights, the authors invite us to embrace a model where leading and serving are two sides of the same coin. This approach not only promises a more fulfilling professional journey, but also brings about greater relationships and results. So the question is, are you ready to break away from the conventional norms and explore the transformative power of servant leadership? If so, what are the 3 key concepts from Servant Leadership in Action that you can apply today? The first key concept revolves around the practical application of servant leadership. It's about understanding the needs of others and responding with empathy, active listening, and healing. This approach is not just about meeting objectives or ticking off boxes, but about human connection. Imagine you're in a conversation with a team member. Instead of just waiting for your turn to speak, try to genuinely understand their perspective. This is practicing empathy. Next, build trust through active listening. This means not just hearing what's being said, but understanding the emotions behind the words. Provide feedback that shows you've heard and you care. Finally, support your team members in overcoming personal and professional struggles. Remember, a struggle overcome today builds the resilience for tomorrow. By implementing these steps, you can begin to transform your leadership approach. It's not about power, but about service. It's not about leading, but about empowering. That's the essence of a carefully conceived implementation of servant leadership. The second key concept focuses on the visionary aspect of servant leadership. Imagine a ship at sea without a compass or a map. Without a clear direction, it would be lost in the vast ocean. Similarly, a leader without a clear vision is like a ship without a compass. It's through setting a clear and meaningful vision that you can guide others towards shared goals. This is the essence of purposeful direction. Now you may wonder, how can I put this into practice? Start by articulating and communicating a clear and shared vision. This vision should be more than just words. It should inspire and motivate. Next, ensure that this vision is aligned with your mission and objectives. This alignment helps everyone move in the same direction. Finally, empower your team with the necessary tools and support. Remember, a vision is only as good as the team that's working to achieve it. With a purposeful direction, you can lead your team towards shared and meaningful goals. The third key concept introduces us to the 10 notable behaviors of servant leaders. These behaviors form the bedrock of servant leadership. First off, we have listening, which involves truly hearing and understanding what others are saying. Then, there's empathy, where the leader feels and responds to the needs of others. Healing speaks to aiding others in overcoming personal and professional struggles. Next, awareness requires a keen sense of the environment and the needs of the team. Persuasion is about influencing others, not by authority, but through convincing arguments. Conceptualization involves thinking beyond day-to-day realities. Foresight is about anticipating and preparing for the future. Stewardship emphasizes the responsibility to manage resources wisely. Commitment to the growth of people entails investing in the personal and professional development of team members. Lastly, building community is about fostering a sense of belonging and unity among team members. To put this concept into practice, encourage open expression through regular one-on-one meetings, create an inclusive environment by fostering empathy, and promote continuous learning and improvement through mentorship. By embracing these behaviors, you can create a supportive, nurturing environment that encourages personal and professional growth. So, are you ready to challenge conventional leadership norms? Remember, servant leadership is about empathy, setting a meaningful vision, and embracing behaviors that foster growth and community. Embrace this transformative power today. Ever wish the wisdom of your favorite books could seamlessly translate into your daily life? Jump on board the Idea Express. Each review comes with 3 tailor-made, actionable steps drawn right from the book's core insights. Steps you can instantly infuse into your personal and professional life. Subscribe to Idea Express today and learn something new tomorrow.